In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your bookmark list on Roblox. So if you added games on Bookmark or you start them to your favorite list and you'd like to find the list, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so first let me go ahead and just select a random game and then add to bookmark, or to add to favorite. Go ahead and tap on this ellipsis and then tap on favorite here. Now from here, to find the games that you have just added to your bookmark list, go ahead and under this Roblox icon, now you should see a menu bar here. So if you click on the menu, now you can see we have favorites are available here. So if you refresh, you can see I had 2 games and now there are 3. So that's how you can find your favorite or bookmarked games on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.